Let's begin now. First, open your browser and go to the Andrew Marsh 3D Sunpath. I have put the link in the description. This tool runs online and no downloads required for this. Start by setting your location. This is the location tab. Let's make it OpenStreetMap standard. Then select the search bar. Type your location. I'm putting in Bangalore location here for the search. Enter. So it takes you to the Bangalore location. So you can zoom in here and move this cursor according to your requirement of the location. Let me zoom in and put it across. So for now, let me just put it in to my site location. Okay, so that's my site location here. So now, once you have set the location by putting in the search bar and making it OpenStreetMap, so you can see exactly where is your site located, or you can enter the exact latitude and longitude, which will also take you to the same place and position. So now you can import your 3D model from the SketchUp or Revit as an OBJ file or DAE file. Make sure it is scaled in meters and aligned to the true north. So this is the 3D model which is standard, which comes with the Andrew Marsh setup. So now here will be replaced by the our model that we are having it. So let's do that. We have opened SketchUp now. So let's start making some basic forms for our analysis and export and import in our 3D file that we are doing. So this is some basic forms that I am drawing using some rectangles. I'll just explode these. So let me keep this little higher. This little lower. Let me pull this little further. Okay, so I just want to see how the shadows will be casted on this. So this looks fine for me. So this is another one. Okay, so the shape looks fine. So you can see how it is. So this will exactly be imported as a north facing into our thing. So what I do is now I go to the file, I go to export as 3D model. This is important. Here in the 3D model, let me put it as an OBJ file. That is, I just name it as 01. Enter. So that's being saved. Say OK. And we are done. We are back in the Andrew Marsh website. So let's now go to the location which looks like a building. This is next to the location thing. So here we'll be loading the model. This says here load OBJ or STL or PLY. So we have the OBJ model. Let's select this and go to where we have stored the file. So I have stored my file here. This is one OBJ. So now, so this has been taken. So this is facing my north. So this is facing my south. So this is the model that we had built it in the SketchUp. So it replaced the model which was there in the Andrew Marsh. Now here, so now for shadow analysis, let's go and see whether the shadows are on. Yeah, we can see the shadows are on. If they are not on, you can go here and check this shadows on here. So you can see this. So there are different things: sun position, direction, sun angles, whatever we want, we can select in. But generally leave all of this as it is, and you can just select the shadows if it is off. And you can also select the circle to be smaller or bigger here, so that you can see how it looks. You can use your cursor and move it. You can take a couple of screenshots if you required for your project to see how the shadows are happening, or you can just go here and now do this shadow analysis for different hours of the time. So here you have, this is the selected date, here is the 21st March 2025. That's the current year that's going. So this is 10:30 is the time here. So we have the useful dates, that is the summer solstice, autumn, winter, and spring. These are the key dates for which we can do the analysis for throughout the year. So that is also possible here. We can do it useful times. If you click here, also you get the useful dates. In that, this is summer. So summer it will move. So if I go to the autumn, the sun shifts, angle changes. If you go to winter, it changes. If you go to the spring or the equinox, it changes again. So this could also be animated. Let's just make one of the useful date and show you how it works it across. So I go here, I choose summer for now, and then I click on this play button. Just let me adjust. Okay, so this I select. So the sun rises from the east and sun sets. So this is the, you can see how it is animating. This you can do for all of the 4 of the key dates. I'm just showing for one of it. You can screen record this, or you can take screenshots of this for your analysis purpose of the area. I can just stop it here. So with this, what we can see is if any of the surface gets more of light, 6 hours a day, it's likely to have high solar exposure. 3 to 6 hours means medium, and less than 3 hours means low exposure. So accordingly, you can plan in how exactly you want to place in your courtyards, where exactly you want to have the chajjas or the projections for your structure or the building that you are planning for. And also we can do radiation analysis, the surfaces which get heated up. So based on how the shadows are casted. So even without exact radiation number, this method will help you in that. So, and the heat it brings along with it. So is distributed across your building. Surfaces that get more hours of direct sunlight. For example, here, if this is a morning sun, so if I shift it and move it across, so that I can do it here. Sorry, okay, I can change the time. So this is 10 o'clock is also okay. So once it is in the afternoon, the sun is, so which surface? So here, this is my west location is getting heated up after a certain point of time. So I'll change the hour for, so this is 2 o'clock here. So this surface is getting heated up. Surfaces that get more hours of direct sun will generally be warmer and brighter, and which can affect indoor comfort and glare and the cooling needs. Shaded areas like these will stay cooler but may also receive rich natural light. By understanding these patterns, you can make better choices for window placement, shading, and even how outdoor spaces are used across different seasons. So, I hope this session was helpful.